espresso machine from Breville. There are a few things to keep in mind in order to get the perfect shot of espresso. The grind size to set how fine the powder is, and then the ground amount. It takes a few tries to get this setting exactly dialed in for the coffee beans you're using. And you want to keep the pressure around this range highlighted in that area. And then let's do it actually. All right. First of all, let's plug it in. I have a power meter. Plug is, the design is pretty special. Features this little ring, so it's easier to plug it in and unplug. You can see when it's not even working, it consumes about 1.8 watts. Let me power it on, and the internal status can be read from this power meter to understand it's what it's doing. And I think right now it is boiling the water, since it consumes 1,300 watts. And after it stops blinking, I think it's ready to use. It stopped blinking after about a minute, and the power consumption is 1.7 watts, and I have a single filter size selected. And the grinding starts. Alright, I think that's more than enough. I'll tap it a little bit and use this tamper to do this. Right, I think that is good enough. See if we can hit the temperature range, the pressure range. Yeah, that is perfect. About maybe 20-25 seconds. And the power consumption is actually around 400 watts. Alright, let's take a look. To clean up the wand, I usually run it for a few more seconds after each use to clean it up to avoid clog. There are many other filter sizes to pick from in this little storage. Knockbox accessory that I think it is a really nice accessory to have, so I don't have to do this on a trash can, right? This is actually pretty tight. Alright, and it's dumped inside. Water storage is in the back, and it can be easily removed by this handle. This coffee machine has been in my wish list for the longest time. Now let's do a quick unboxing and see what's inside. User manual. The razor. Cleaning kit. Some parts. Filter basket. Now that's everything in the box. Looks very sophisticated. The dial feedback sounds great. A little cup. Now it's fully assembled.